One of the most powerful type of display advertising is called retargeting, and lets you use what people do on your website in order to target them with a specific advertising message, even after they have left. In this video, I will show you how it works and help you decide if retargeting is right for your digital strategy. Let's say potential customers come across your website on their morning commute. They are interested and start to subscribe, but halfway through filling out the subscription form are suddenly distracted by phone call, so they leave your site before hitting subscribe. They might forget about your podcast or find something else to subscribe to instead. Here is where retargeting comes in. Your first step in retargeting is to define your target audience. There are lots of retargeting solutions out there to choose from, and many display networks offer this feature as well. But no matter which you use, you will first need to define who will be in your audience. So you could define your target audience as people who started to fill out a subscription form but didn't complete it. Your retargeting service might need you to add a little code to your web pages or integrate it in your web analytics tool, so it can start collecting a list of people from your website who match this criteria.